Meaning of gamble.
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 Gamble. Gamble refers to the act of taking a risk in the hopes of achieving a desired outcome, usually involving betting money on an uncertain event. The result of gambling can be either a win or loss, and it is determined by chance or probability. Some people view gambling as a form of entertainment, while others consider it a serious problem that can lead to addiction and financial troubles. While there is a chance to make money through gambling, it is important to understand the risks and approach it with caution.